CV Semoga Jaya Furniture is a small and medium-sized enterprise, or we call SMEs, specializing in the export of furniture since 2015. We are committed to providing high-quality furniture products with unique and innovative design to meet the needs of the export market. CV Semoga Jaya Furniture is ready to be your trusted partner in providing quality furniture for the export market. And today, we will discuss and analyze one of the SMEs engaged in exporting with furniture commodities. Before that, let's get acquainted with us. Darmagusti Fadhilah as scripture, Rizka Zuni Arsyani as scripture, Rozyta Dini Aulya as documentation, Septi Hidayah as editor, and Suci Adinda Rahmania as voiceover. And now we enter the stage 1, business preparation. To assess export readiness, we conduct a SWOT analysis of the company, starting from strength. The first is 10 years of experience in the furniture and craft field. Second, innovative products, and also buyers can order products as desired. Third, establish good relationship with many furniture manufacturers as suppliers for handicraft product development. In the weakness sections, we got the difficulty of controlling craftsmen who follow operational standards with regard to consistency and commitment to production. Secondly, it does not have a modern management method, so it is still done in a traditional way. Next, opportunities. First, the need for furniture is soaring with the increase in the middle and upper class homes. Second, the rise of cheap imported products that do not maintain product quality. Lastly, the threat. The first threat is the spike in inflation. The second is, as well as the many competition that exists in the same field. And finally, there are several types of wood that have become high in price because they are difficult to obtain. And now, we will discuss the market development that we can do. So actually, what are the goals that CV Semoga Jaya Furniture can achieve? Of course, the desired goal is to increase export volume and reach new and wider markets. Then, improve the improvisation of product operational standard to comply with international standard. Next, develop new products design and keep up with global market types and trends. And the last is increasing brand awareness is also very important in developing the market for this company. There are also resources needed, ranging from competent human resources, quality raw materials, expert financial resources, making the best use of digital market platforms, raw material suppliers, physical resources. Exporters must also have license and certification as supporting the group. Then, what about the risks that could potentially affect CV Semoga Jaya Furniture? What are the risks? Increase in production costs. This is due to an increase in pricing starting from raw materials such as rising wood price. The second is production problems. Problem in procuring raw materials or delay in delivery can also hinder the production process. And cash flow problems. Dependence on payment from buyers can cause cash flow problems due to late payments. What about product demand fracture? Change in consumer trends and preference may reduce demands from existing products. And the effect on market share. Competition from other international furniture companies may reduce market share. And lastly, quality standards. Failure to meet international quality and environmental standards may result in product recalls and fines. So, what kind of results are expected? Of course, increased revenue from domestic and international sales. Increased revenue from domestic and international sales can be achieved through market expansion and increased sales volume. Secondly, better profit margins through operational efficiency and cost control. Third, efficient use of raw materials and other resources to minimize costs. Fourth, expanding market share through effective marketing strategies such as participation in exhibition. And lastly, launching innovative new products that are in line with market trends and buying needs. Okay, we are at the last stage, market entry. According to the result of our discussion, we will choose to export directly because it is easier to meet buyers directly. To finalize the sale, the negotiation process of securing a sales contract with the buyers involves preparation and research, initiation of contract, and opening of the relationship, presentation of the initial offer, discussing and bargaining, adjustment and concessions, final agreement with review of the contract, and closing and follow-up to ensure implementation as agreed. Not to forget, we must also ensure export requirements. We must comply with the regulation of the destination country, for example, Australia, which must be fumigated before the goods are sent to Australia, and must have temporal legality or called bilegal as a condition for export. In addition, we must also meet the import requirements of the destination countries such as HS code or Harmonized System Code. It's an international standard coding system for classifying internationally traded products. Its function is to provide a uniform and globally accepted classification system to facilitate custom clearance, trade statistics, monitoring of international trade regulations, and market analysis. Custom procedure in the destination country include steps such as import registration, submission of required import documents, inspection of goods by custom authorities, determination of applicable import duty rates, and payment of customs duties before goods can be released into the country. As for tariff in the destination country refers to the amount of fees or taxes imposed on imported goods when entering that market, which can vary based on the type of product, country of origin, and international trade regulations applicable in that country. And this is the result of our group discussion on international trade for CV Semoga Jaya Furniture. Please apologize if there are still mistakes and shortcomings in this presentation. Thank you for your attention.